Hello everybody, I'm Banda, and this is the MachinEGG. Let's get it. To pick a game mode here, we have normal. Just go with the normal to start. No ranking, no penalties, go at your own pace, and reach the retirement destination safely. Cool. Buy chicken. Here comes Rose. Hello, Rose. Oh, here. Drag me to the market to sell. This is the market. Oh, sick, I got $1. Hello, Rose. Can you buy more eggs, please? Thank you, Rose. Oh, Rose, is this food? Maybe this is water? Oh, I can buy another chicken. Blanche. Blanche and Rose. Thank you for the egg, Rose. Oh, thank you, Blanche. Oh, Rose, you're being so generous. Happy petting. Pet your chickens to make them happy. Each pet reduces the time it takes to lay an egg. So again, pet the chickens. Look at that. They're laying eggs so fast. Are you Rose? I don't even remember anymore. I've lost it. I need to keep better track of these eggs. Oh, hello Olive, you're easy to keep track of. Olive, Blanche, and Rose. Get a fourth chicken up in here. So this looks like it's water and food. Oh, for $10 I can get an increased egg value. But times 1.5 base value. I'm getting like what, $1? Yeah, $1 per. Okay. I got a little kitten here. So cute. Big thing. Go. Just right down. It's nice. Oh, they're being so nice. Giving me so many eggs. Let's get a higher egg value. I'm getting $1.50 per egg now. Sweet. Magnet force upgrade. Magnetizes your cursor to grab more eggs at a distance. Okay. I can grab 2 now. Sweet. Get another chicken. Get 2 more chickens. Fancy. Ooh. I ran out of food. Almost out of water too. Okay. They didn't seem very happy when they ran out of food. I need to keep track of that. Oh my gosh, so many eggs. Get that egg value increased. Let's get another chicken. Junior. Get all eggs. Farm belt. Automatically transports meadow eggs below. Oh, it's kind of nice. Automates half the process. Cool. Okay, this would be pretty nice if I get one of those conveyor belts down here, because storage conveyor belt, $100. It's kind of expensive, but egg value I can upgrade. Two eggs and 2 eggs and 1 egg, 2 eggs, 2 eggs, 2 eggs. Pets. Let's increase my magnet and my egg value. Ooh, I need food. Jeez. Pets. Storage belt. Oh, huge. Let's get some more chickens in here. We got Coco. We got Jolly and Jilly. Some food. I have no money. Eggs, pets. Okay, I need these max food, max water upgrades because these guys are going through it quick. Holy, so many eggs. Alright, let's get the max food upgrade. So many eggs, okay, eggs. Yeah, look at that. Let's get the max water upgrade. Let's look at some of these other upgrades. The Rooster, a majestic companion, helps you grow your flock over time. Does he like breed with the chickens? Ooh, I need my food. You know, let's buy the Rooster. No, let's get egg value. Let's be responsible here. And buy water. Alright, I want to see what the Rooster does. Oh, look at him. No name. Dude. Oh, I was able to pet him. What are you gonna do, buddy? What? What? They just made a chicken. They just made a baby chicken. It's so cute. Wait, food. Let's get egg value upgrade. Food. Bro, he's back at it. He's making chickens pretty quick, so that's good. I'm gonna get more max food, max water because this is kind of a lot. Bro, this rooster's he's getting active. Look at him go. I'm gonna buy some more chickens. I don't really have the food or water. Like that's kind of like difficult for me to keep up with, but we just need to get some more income up in here. Hen Cake, Lucky, Bertha, Nugget, Gracie, Hindini. Let's go ahead and increase or buy this farm belt upgrade. Look at that, made this so much quicker. Alright, the rooster is going crazy. Let's get this egg value upgrade. I think that's just always good to go for. Water food. Oh, got you. Let's go life. Let's go get the max water and max food upgrades. I'm gonna buy some more chickens. One. Ooh. Farm music. Hello, sir. Plays upbeat tunes, making chickens move faster. I think that'd be pretty good. I think that stacks. Look at me upgrade tiers there are. That would stack so good over time. Let's go and get that, and then let's get an egg value upgrade. And move a little quicker. I can tell. Let's go do another farm music upgrade. These guys are moving quick. They get to the food faster, they get to the water faster, so they can make more and more eggs. Egg washer. Cleans eggs to dramatically increase their value. ×2 value multiplier? Whoa! Oh look, they're like nice and shiny now. ×2? Are these gonna be like plus 50s now? Oh, they're plus 51s. Amazing. Let's get this egg value upgrade. Get some food, some water. Food. Auto food, auto water. Automates food and water refilling. That's crazy. I'm gonna get both those. Let's buy some more chickens. Only 70 bucks. I'm getting 152 per egg. This is only like still like 3 eggs to make them back. Wait, pro diet. Specialized in nutrition that speeds up egg laying, -1 lay time. Wait, that's pretty good. I'm gonna get that. And let's do the farm music upgrade. And then let's get another auto food. And then soon here in a second, auto water. What's this blue egg upgrade? A chance to lay a rare blue egg. Plus 5% chance, times 2 value. It's kind of expensive, but sure. And then we're probably going to go for this egg value upgrade next. Okay. I get another rooster. Let's do that. Growth formula. Speeds up the time it takes a chicken to mature into a laying hen. That seems pretty good. I'll get 2 of those upgrades. Oh, look at all these blue eggs. There's actually a good amount of them. I get like 300, 400. I get like a few more chickens here. Chickpea, Andromeda, Fava, Fava. Let's see if we can get these belt upgrades. Get more money faster. Oh, they're moving so much faster now. It's beautiful. Let's go and get the blue egg upgrade. Let's get 2 of them. We're gonna have so many more blue eggs. Golden egg. A rare chance to lay legendary golden eggs. Plus 1% chance times 5 value. That's crazy. Wait. Under machinery. Quality sim certifies eggs quality for a higher market price times 2 value multiplier. Absolutely. Oh, they got little stamps. These seem to be making so much money now. 300, 500. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get max food, max water upgrades. I'm making so much money to buy a few more chickens here. Edith, Gertrude, Eddie, Babs, Ginger. Do some of these other upgrades. Let's get farm music upgrade. Just do 2 of them. We got an egg packager for 100,000. That increases the value by 2 times. Let's get like pro diet. Let's get 2 of those. Get a growth formula. Get our chickens faster. Dessert stomach eats 2 times the food and lays twice as many eggs between meals. That seems awesome. We may have to get the auto food upgrade, but that's okay. It's like double the eggs. So we can get this egg value upgrade. And we get more blue eggs. While we're at it, let's just get some magnet force upgrades. Maxed it out. How many can I carry now? Oh, I can carry a circle of eggs. You can't even tell me that is. Oh, I should wait. I should put it back here so they get cleaned and everything. So I'm gonna go for this egg value upgrade again. Pro diet upgrade. Let's get some more auto food on the water to keep up with our chickens. Let's get some more max food and max water. Fill this up while we're at it. Let's go get this egg pack times 2. Oh, look at that. How much money do we get? 6K, 7K? Oh my gosh. Let's go and max out the food and water and do these 2 auto upgrades and use farm music upgrades, 2 of them, growth formula upgrade. Oh my gosh. Let's get the golden egg upgrade. See if we see any golden eggs here. Oh, there's one right there. Let's go ahead and upgrade both of our belts here. We're moving so fast. Look at that golden egg. Another rooster. Let's buy some more chickens since we're making so much money. Penny, Lily, Dumb, Artemisia, and Beans. Let's go ahead and max out the food and the water. Blue egg upgrade. Do the growth hormone upgrade. Much more chickens while we're at it. We got Dolly Carton, Sunrise, Sunset, Averia, Hennifer, and a Hope. And was that Harnita? Max out the farm music. Look how quick they're going. Let's get the golden egg upgrade. I don't really know if that's like worth it, but I think the golden eggs are pretty cool. Premium box. Wraps your eggs in luxurious matte black and gold foil packaging times 2 value multiplier. Absolutely. Oh, look at them. 35, 67k, 27k, 57k. Wow. Great. Go get the dessert stomach again. Get some growth formulas. Golden egg upgrade. Another golden egg upgrade. Let's get another blue egg upgrade, or the last blue egg upgrade actually. I don't know what the chance is. There's quite a few dots there, so and we're getting a lot of blue eggs, so. Buy some more chickens. Try to get all the names. We got Big Mama, Running Carton, Smalley, Linda, and Oreo. And then let's get both of our belt upgrades, Bang and Bang. Golden egg upgrade. How about another golden egg? The last growth formula upgrade. Yeah. Storage belt, the last upgrade. Oh, it's moving so quickly. Let's buy some more chickens. Bubbles, pumpkin, squash, blossom, kiwi. R2 the Roo, Negrita. Egg value upgrade. 50 million earned. Does this game have like an ending? I know it says something about retirement in the game description at the beginning. I guess we'll see. But the game just gets going. I'm just hearing the packaging. Just constant stamping. Oh! Retire. Is that $1 trillion? It doesn't even let me buy it yet. Okay, I guess we're gonna go until I retire. Here's the golden egg upgrade. The last upgrade. Ooh! As seen on TV, commercial where your farm goes viral permanently doubles the sale value of all eggs. That's pretty sweet. $60 million, 172 and counting million to earn. Let's get the egg value upgrade. And let's go ahead and buy some more chickens. We got Strippy, Venus, Maeve, Pheasant, Delise, Birdie, I think. Welcome chickens. Welcome to the flock. It seems we have enough for the as seen on TV commercial upgrade. Let's go ahead and do that. Times 2. 3 mil, 1 mil, 2 mil. Oh my gosh, we're making so much money. Egg value upgrade, level 21. I'm starting to wonder if like my game's gonna crash before I end up like winning. Okay, I could buy the egg value upgrade, but I think it's gonna be faster if I just don't buy anything. We're nearly there total earnings. And like, as I've said that we've made like 50K, so let's just keep going. We've crossed it in total earnings, it appears. The $1 billion threshold. We are nearly there. Nearly there. We've hit it. $1 billion. 182 chickens. 100, nearly 1.5 billion earned. Let's retire. Oh, the silence. Oh, my ears. It's so quiet. Thanks for playing. That's a fun game. I may do some of the other modes in the future. Let me know if you guys, oh, challenge normal, playtime under 40 minutes, 5,000 eggs sold, 1.5 billion in earnings, 183 chickens, 0 hungry. That's pretty good. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see me play one of these other game modes. We got Adam and Eve, Egg Jam, Endless Farm, Speedrun. But yeah, it's pretty fun. That was the MachinEGG. Bye-bye.